How to verify YouTube channel on mobile. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. So first of all, you have to open your Chrome and here tap and search for the youtube.com. After that, the YouTube will be opened and make sure to open the YouTube in desktop form. If you are not able to open YouTube in desktop side, then simply tap on the three dotted vertical line in the right upper corner. Here you can select the desktop side. After that, in the right upper corner you can see the profile icon. Simply tap on that. After that, you will be able to see the your channel option. Tap on that. After doing that, you'll be able to see the two options in the right hand side, which are customize channel and manage videos. You have to tap on the customize channel option. After tapping on that, YouTube Studio will be opened over here. So here YouTube Studio has been opened, and here in the left bottom corner you can see the settings option. Simply tap on that. After tapping on that, you can see the various options over here. Among them, you have to tap on the channel option. And here also you can see the various options like basic info, advanced settings and feature eligibility. Among them, you have to tap on the feature eligibility option. In the feature eligibility, you can see the various options. Among them, you have to tap on the intermediate features. After that, you will be able to see the verify phone number option. Simply tap on that. For that, you have to tap on verify phone number option and you have to enter a phone number for verifying it. You have to select your country and you have to enter your phone number. After that, a verification code will be sent to you and you have to enter the code and tap on submit. After that, your phone number will be verified. That means your YouTube channel is verified. So by following this simple step, you can verify your YouTube channel from phone. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.